Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Las Vegas, center strip on the Las Vegas Strip to check out Caesar's Palace Hotel and Casino. Seems like I've been here a lot, but I haven't actually done a video here in quite a while, and there's a couple changes. The entire front of the building is completely new. Bobby Flay has opened a new restaurant. It's been around for a couple months now, but I don't think it's been covered in any of my other videos. And this is one of the only, actually it is the only that I'm aware of, buffet that Caesars has open in their entire line of hotels and casinos around the world. And if I'm wrong, of course you can correct me in the comments below, but I'm pretty sure that's a fact, and I'm also pretty sure that they have no plans to open any buffets in the near future other than keeping this one open, the Bacchanal. The Bacchanal buffet being a favorite of many. And here's the new exterior of the front entrance. We'll see the interior in a moment, but it's been boarded up for a while and I quite honestly forgot what the old one looked like, so I'm going to say it looks pretty similar to the old one. Anyway, let's head inside. So, have you been here before? Is it me, or does this all look the same? I don't know. There was so much construction going on here my last 2 or 3 visits, and now that everything's all opened up, I really don't see much difference, or maybe I'm just getting old and the memory's going, but if you guys know the difference, or see a huge difference here, leave a comment below. This is Cafe Americano. It's open 24 hours, and it's located right across from the front desk or the registration area. Now, as soon as I walked in, I made a left, and that's the direction we're going to head in. That's going to bring us to a lot of the shops, restaurants, the pool, the buffet, kind of away from the casino, which we will obviously visit sometime later during this video. Most of the rooms in this hotel are also serviced by elevator banks that are located in this area. And here we are at the Bacchanal Buffet, the only Caesars buffet that I know of that's open. They had lots of other buffets prior to the pandemic. Most of those have either been repurposed or are permanently closed with no plans on reopening. I know this is one of the favorites of yours as far as buffets are concerned. Other people like the Wicked Spoon at Cosmo, or the buffet at the Bellagio, or Wynn, which is one of my favorites. I just did a video on the Wynn buffet. You can catch that here on the New York channel. So this one's really busy. There's at least a 2-hour wait going on here. Which is your favorite buffet? It doesn't have to be here in Las Vegas. It could be Atlantic City or someplace else. Just let us know in the comments below which buffet is one of your favorites. And right across from the Bacchanal buffet is the Caesars pool area. I'm not staying here, so I can't get a close-up of the pool, but this is the pool area. This is Beijing Noodle number 9. Beijing Noodle number 9 offers northern Chinese cuisine in a friendly, casual atmosphere. They have these big aquariums when you walk in, filled with goldfish. And you thought that was shrimp on your plate. In the center of all this activity, we have a nice circular cocktail lounge here, and on the right-hand side we have Giotto's Pronto. Pronto by Giotto offers breakfast, lunch, and dinner made of the freshest ingredients and prepared fast. Menu options include house-made pastries, specialty coffee, paninis, salads, antipasto, meat and cheese platters, and gelato for dessert. And be sure to check out the adjacent wine bar. Here we have Mr. Chow. Artist and restaurateur Michael Chow opened the first Mr. Chow in 1968, offering authentic Beijing cuisine and impeccable service. The restaurant became an international sensation, and Las Vegas became home to the iconic brand right here at Caesar's Palace. And again, back at Pronto Giotto, this is the wine bar here, and I love myself a good wine bar. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Miscellaneous Migs, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in my latest Atlantic City video, Borgata Room and Pool Tour. Congratulations, Miscellaneous Migs. Nice going. Now, I'm not sure why, but it looks like nobody was getting a good view of that pool today. It was closed. It's the middle of the afternoon. I didn't know why they closed it, but it was closed. I know there's still staffing issues here in Las Vegas as well everywhere in the world, I think. And I know that if there's certain managers that are not on the property, the pool must be closed, as well as if they don't have enough lifeguards, the pool has to be closed. So that could be the reason. But really, I don't know. This is Vista Cocktail Lounge, a mixology program of uniquely crafted cocktails combined with a display of ever-changing panoramic LED views makes upscale Vista Cocktail Lounge a sight to be seen. This is Bobby Flay's newest restaurant here in Las Vegas, called Amalfi. It's also his first Italian restaurant ever. Experience Bobby Flay's restaurant Amalfi, cuisine an enhanced blend of coastal ease and fresh, bright flavors. He used to have a steakhouse here at Caesar's Palace. I believe it was called Viva. I could be wrong, but I believe it was called Viva. That was about a year or two ago. He closed that and did open this Amalfi restaurant here in Caesar's Palace. Not to be without a steakhouse, Caesar's Palace has Old Homestead Steakhouse, and the standard menu items are the famous cuts of meat, selected and butchered with attention to detail that made the original, back in New York City, iconic. Must be pretty good. There's quite a line out here, and it's early afternoon. This is Nobu Restaurant, the ideal destination to be seen, socialize, and enjoy the unique cuisine of celebrated chef Nobu Matsuhisa. Nobu also has specialized rooms here at Caesar's Palace, kind of like a specialized boutique hotel inside the main hotel. They're doing something similar at the Caesars in Atlantic City. MGM also has this concept with the Nomad, which is located in the Park MGM. Wait, did you see that? Let me look at that again. Some people can be so juvenile. Let me try. Yeah! This is Numb, one of many of those sugary, slushy cocktail places that are very popular here in Las Vegas. This is Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill. For an authentic English pub experience, look no further than Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill. The celebrity chef serves up traditional British pub fare in an elevated style. You'll find all his signatures like fish and chips, beef Wellington, and sticky toffee pudding. Hell's Kitchen, which is out front, is certainly more popular than here, and this place is a lot more casual, but if you can't get into Hell's Kitchen, and it's not that easy to get in there, this is the second best place you can go. Basically the same dishes, only a little bit more casual. Speaking of casual, if you want to go super casual or super inexpensive as far as Las Vegas is concerned, it's all relative. Caesars has the Forum Food Hall, which is kind of like their food court, all different types of varieties of the usual fare. I was getting a little hungry and somewhat thirsty. I've been walking around all morning and I broke one of my cardinal rules of staying away from sugary sweet drinks while I'm walking around town, because all it does is weigh me down and make me tired. But I broke that rule and went to Bobby's Burgers and got a strawberry shake. We'll sit down and enjoy that in a moment. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel and hit that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Thank you. Here's my $10 strawberry shake from Bobby's Burgers. I could have done without the dehydrated strawberries on top. For 10 bucks, I would have liked a couple of fresh strawberries on top. And there's a lot of whipped cream. I don't particularly like whipped cream on a shake, but once it's all mixed together, including those dehydrated strawberries, it actually tasted pretty good. This is Stadia Bar. This all-new sports watching mecca is inspired by a love for the game. That shake was actually pretty good, but I better not sit down for the next couple of hours or I'm gonna nod off right here in the casino. Here we have Vanderpump Lounge. The original Vanderpump, Lisa Vanderpump, just opened a new one right across the street at Paris Hotel and Casino, another Caesars property. That video coming up soon. Right now we're heading towards the Coliseum, the main concert venue here at Caesars Palace, and this is where Adele was supposed to be for her weekends, but that didn't work out, as most of you know, so it's Keith Urban right now. But inside the Coliseum store, I looked around and there was still a lot of Adele merchandise there, and I guess they were just stuck with it. Here we have the Caesars Palace poker room, and you'll have to excuse my Hawaiian shirt. I'm shooting at a weird angle here because I'm sure, well, casino security wouldn't like the idea of me videotaping around the poker room, or anywhere for that matter. Here's the Caesars Palace sportsbook. Certainly not the nicest or the biggest, but a sportsbook nonetheless. This is Omnia Nightclub. Omnia's immersive and transcendent aura captivates with a lavishly designed space, intricate beauty, and plush finishes. This is Seersucker. The place hasn't been opened, I don't know, since the pandemic, I think. It's been closed every time I passed it for the past couple of years, and it's not even on the website anymore, the Caesars Palace website. Don't know what's going on here with Seersucker. So, am I doing a live show later this evening? What's the name of that new club that's opening up on the Strip? And what's going on at the Showboat in Atlantic City? Is that water park ever going to open? And what's the big secret coming up here on the New York channel with regards to this fall? For answers to those and many other questions, always check out the New York channel's community room. Just check on that community tab at the top of the channel and you'll be updated on lots of new information regarding this channel. So we've walked all around Caesars Palace in a big circle, and we're back to the front now, and this statue looks new. I don't remember it being here. I could be wrong. My memory is fried at this point, but I don't remember this statue and the little boy hanging onto Caesar's leg. Does this look familiar to you? Leave a comment below. Now we're back outside out front again, and here we have the Absinthe tent where the show Absinthe is put on. I believe they're celebrating their 11th year here at Caesars Palace. And here we have Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen, one of the more popular restaurants here on the Las Vegas Strip. Definitely need reservations if you plan on coming here. And again, they have that Gordon Ramsay pub inside Caesars Palace. Pretty much the same menu, only it's a lot easier to get into and it's a lot more casual. But if you're looking to do the real deal, definitely make reservations here at Hell's Kitchen. There's also a Hell's Kitchen opening up in Atlantic City at Caesars as well. And of course, I'll cover that in a video once it opens. And this is the Purple Zebra, a lounge here at Caesars, right on the Las Vegas Strip. What'd you think of Caesars? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.